Hi there, my name is Nikhil Jathar. I'm the co-founder of Zapier P Inventory, a multi-channel inventory with powerful stock management and order fulfillment. Now, the problem is online businesses wants to focus more on growing their business and less worry about the inventory management. So the side effect of this, because when you're just focused on the sales, of course, you're going to have overwhelmed human resource. So on the back end, you're going to see issues with the warehouse management, issues with the inventory, issues with the purchase. You will not know when to purchase certain products. You will not know what exactly your sales stat. You will not know how your customer is behaving. You're going to have strained customer relationship. You're gonna have the products which are out of season, probably expired, damaged. Then there is gonna be time-consuming manual updates, time-consuming audit, stock take. So all these things basically creates an issue. So that's where Zapier P helps. Now, just to give you some background about the current solution, so either you can do it manually or use some sort of a cheap legacy software where you don't have any inventory control, no multi-channel, so it doesn't connect with Shopify, Amazon, or you can use expensive competitor product where they have very less integration, no connection with the CRMs, no accounting integration, and then most important, no multi-channel sync. Because these days, seller want to sell everywhere. They want to sell on Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Flipkart, Walmart, wherever they can, they want to sell it, right? Even these days, they want to sell on WhatsApp, Instagram. So this is where our solution helps. Now, Zapier P is basically a multi-channel inventory. So it connects with all these sales channels, Amazon, Shopify, and so on. These are some of the functionalities that we have. So for example, we allow full scale inventory management. So you can do a stock take, you can do complete track of inventory from your purchase to sale. So starting with your purchase order, receiving that purchase order, converting purchase order into a bill, pushing that bill into an accounting system, then receiving a sales order from your sale channels such as Amazon, Shopify, then converting that sales order into a pick list, from pick list to package, from package to shipment, then tracking that shipment so that it is actually delivered to your customer. Then once delivered, okay, now of course I skipped some parts such as warehouse management, then probably the batch management. But in high level, once the shipment is delivered, you're gonna have to worry about other parts such as returns. So there could be a return. So we also help you with the return management where return portal allows customer service to create a return, receive the return. If it is a partial return, of course, only report the partial return. So that way damages are reduced, the losses are reduced, and so on. And you actually comply to the government regulations too. Then we also have some of the coming soon functionality through our B2B, through our 2.0 release, which is scheduled at the end of this month. So B2B portal will allows us to serve our wholesale customers in a better manner. Then there is a point of sale, which sort of helps again our retailer as well as wholesaler to sell directly to their end customer without you relying on third party solution. Then of course, next part is the integration. We integrate with multiple third-party sales like Shopify, Amazon, so on. Then why businesses are choosing us? Because first of all, single platform, two-way sync that works, many integration with leading e-commerce portal, quick turnaround on development, multi-language support, 24 by 7 support from our awesome support team. Now, myself, Nikhil Jathar, then we have Varun Borake, my co-founder, Prashant Singh, my CTO, Chief Technology Officer, one of the best full stack expert available in our region. Then we have big team, but a very effective team. So Angna, Tejas, Harnoor, who are into marketing and sales. Vaishnavi, our marketing and customer support expert. Then we have front-end developer Ishan, Sumit, Boris, back-end Pramod, Shreedeep, Ahmad, Rajender. And we also had two interns. Now, in terms of a performance, this is our performance, more than 100,000 in last 1.5 year. And these are our projections. So this is our upcoming product, which is Zapier P Inventory 2.0. This will change a lot of things for us, especially on the scalability and reliability front. So that sort of concludes my presentation. I hope it helps. If any question, we'll be happy to help. Thank you.